Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable subscriptions in FlutterFlow connected to Stripe, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your FlutterFlow account. Select the project for which you want to enable subscriptions connected to Stripe. Navigate to the left sidebar and click on the Settings tab. Under the Settings menu, select Payments. Enable the Stripe option if it is not already enabled. Next, you will need to connect your Stripe account to FlutterFlow. Click on the Connect Stripe button. This will redirect you to the Stripe login page. Log into your Stripe account using your credentials. Once logged in, authorize FlutterFlow to access your Stripe account. After the authorization, return to the FlutterFlow platform. Now, you will need to set up a product for your subscription. Go back to the Payments section and click on Add Product. Fill in all necessary details for your product. Specify the name, description, and pricing for your subscription. Ensure you choose the appropriate pricing model, such as recurring. Select the billing cycle that fits your subscription offering. After filling in the details, click Save to create the product. Now, you should see your product listed in the Payments section. The next step is to create a new page for subscription management. Go to the UI Builders section and create a new page. Design the page layout according to your app's theme. Add necessary elements, such as buttons for subscribing and managing subscriptions. You'll also need to set up actions for these buttons. Choose Start Subscription from the list of available actions. Link the action to the product you created earlier. Set additional options, such as handling successful and failed payments. Once done, repeat this process for any other subscription-related buttons. After setting up your buttons, it's crucial to test the subscription flow. Use FlutterFlow's preview mode to simulate the subscription process. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.